Hey everyone, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to sign into Gling AI. So Gling AI is a really cool AI content creation tool that removes silences, ahs, bad takes. It can fix background noise. It can even do zoom ins and zoom outs. But how do you actually go ahead and sign into Gling AI? Either way, guys, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple. So what you're going to do first is go into gling.ai, and then you can either click on start for free on the upper right hand corner or on the middle over here. So if I click on start for free here, it's going to automatically log into Gling AI. If it doesn't log you into Gling AI, another way you could actually sign in is by going into app.gling.ai/app. And from here, you'll be reaching a dashboard that's the free version of Gling AI. So this one, there's a lot of limitations to here. So I would recommend actually signing up with an account with Gling AI. But you can either click on sign in up here or click on sign up over here. But if you want to just play around with it with the free version, there's a lot of limitations though, just as an FYI. You could actually drag and drop your videos here and test it out yourself. So that right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and sign into Gling AI. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. But thanks so much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.